This is Patrick from Pals. We're here today with Bill and Barbara Johnson and their beautiful 65 Plymouth Belvedere race car. Bill, tell us a little bit about the car and how you found us.
Sure, I collect classic cars and very picky on who works on them. And we live in Jacksonville, and it's very, very difficult to find somebody you really kind of trust on with the car. So I got on the internet and kept looking, and I finally found Pals here in Ocala. And I went through probably 50 or 60 reviews, and they were all very, very good. So I called them, talked to them, and we made an appointment. I had the car flatbedded down here from Jacksonville, because I sure didn't drive it that far. So that's how we found them. And the car's done today. We're going to take it home, and it's been done. The work's just been super.
Thank you so much, Bill. We really appreciate working on your 65 Belvedere. And if you have a 65 Hemi Belvedere, bring it to Pals. See you soon.